हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द लाइव सेशन। तो अब हम देखने वाले हैं एनसीईआरटी का टेस्ट सीरीज़, जिसमें आज हम देखेंगे साइंस एंड टेक का सेट नंबर 6। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज के टेस्ट सीरीज़, और आप भी अटेंड कीजिए, और अगर आपका आंसर आता है तो मुझे चैट में बताइए। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वोडका एन अल्कोहलिक बेवरेज इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय राइस, मेज, व्हीट, शुगर कैन। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, व्हीट। Consider the following statements. Surface conduction electron emitter display uses much less power than an LCD television of the same size. Field emission diode screen consists a series of metal strips onto a glass plate to form a series of cathode lines. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, both 1 and 2. Surface conduction electron emitter uses much less power than an LCD television of the same size. Field emission diode screen consists of a series of metal strips onto a glass plate to form a series of cathode lines. Cardamoms are ripe dried fruit of Piper nigrum, Dolichos leblef, Ficus religiosa, Elateria cardamomenum। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, इलिट्रिया cardamomenum। The Indian soils are generally poor in phosphate and nitrogen, calcium phosphate and nitrogen, organic matter and nitrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium। तो इसमें ऑप्शन नंबरिंग थोड़ा गड़बड़ है, पर इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर एंड नाइट्रोजन। द मेजर फ्रूट क्रॉप ऑफ इंडिया इज एप्पल, मैंगो, बनाना, ग्रेप्स। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, मैंगो। The plant raised from a single germinating pollen grain under cultural condition is called a haploid plant, diploid plant, tetraploid plant, polyploid plant। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, हैप्लॉइड प्लांट। Consider the following statements. All expressions in static typing have their types determined prior to when the program is executed at compile time. Dynamic time typing is associated with runtime values rather than textual expressions. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर होगा C. Both 1 and 2. All expressions in static typing have the types determined prior to when the program is executed at compile time. Dynamic typing is associated with runtime values rather than textual expressions. Which of the following is a fungicide? 2,4,5-T, रोटेनॉन, पैराक्वेट, बॉटक्स मिक्सचर. तो इसका आंसर होगा डी, बॉटेक्स मिक्सचर. Which of the following is both exocrine and endocrine gland? Liver, pancreas, thyroid, adrenal. तो इसका आंसर है बी, pancreas. Consider the following statements about very long baseline interferometry. It is a type of astronomical interferometry used in radio astronomy. It allows observations of an object that are made simultaneously by many telescopes to be combined, emulating a telescope with a size equal to the maximum separation between the telescope. It is used in the measurement of gravitational forces of the sun and moon on the earth and deep structure of the earth. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है C, 1 and 2. Pesticides include insecticide only, herbicides, insecticides and nematicides, insecticides, nematicides and rodenticides, algicide, fungicide, herbicide, insecticide, herbicide and rodenticides. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, algicide, fungicide, herbicide, insecticide, herbicides and rodenticides. Penicillin was discovered by Weddell, Darwin, Woodruff, Fleming. तो इसका आंसर है डी, Fleming. An average teen should eat no more than 1500 calories a day, about 1200 calories a meal, between 2000 and 2500 calories a day, between 3000 and 3200 calories a day. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, between 2000 and 2500 calories a day. Which of the following is a naturally occurring pesticide? Cynerin, pyrethrum, rotenons, all of this. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, all of this, cynerin, pyrethrum and rotenons. Kohler and Milson developed biotechnology for the production of serums, myelomas, antibiotics, monoclonal antibodies. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, monoclonal antibodies. DDT is an antibiotic, not a pollutant, a non-biodegradable pollutant, a biodegradable pollutant. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, ए नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल pollutant. Which one of the following is correct characteristic of the LCD? LCD having cold cathode ray backlight is advantageous over the LED backlight LCD. Color of an LCD television is produced by selectively shuttering the three primary colors relative to each other. The accuracy and quality of the resulting colors of the LCD dependent on the backlighting source, both B and C. तो इसमें करेक्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पूछा है, तो इसका आंसर होगा बोथ बी एंड सी. The use of DDT is banned nowadays because it is very costly, not available, inflammable, not degraded easily. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, नॉट डिग्रेडेड इजीली. Which of the following is a green manure? Pisum, sorghum, Crotalaria, Sergesum. तो इसका आंसर है सी, Crotalaria. Which of the following is dissolved in water for making Bordeaux mixture? Calcium chloride, copper sulfide, sodium chloride, magnesium sulfide. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, कॉपर सल्फेट. What is graphene? A new metal made from carbon nanotubes, a one-atom thick sheet of carbon, thin film made from fluorines, a software tool to measure and graphically represent nanoparticles. तो इसका आंसर है बी, a one-atom thick sheet of carbon. The science which is related to vegetable culture is known as agriculture, horticulture, olericulture, floriculture. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, horticulture. A drug from food root which causes mental disorder and reduces blood pressure is obtained from belladonna, calcium, luteum, digitalis purpurea, Rovolfia serpenia. तो इसका आंसर है डी, Rovolfia serpenia. Opium is obtained by ripened seeds, unripe fruits, unripened capsule, newly germinated plants. तो इसका आंसर है बी, unripe fruits. Reproducing new plants by cells instead of seeds is known as mutation, antibiotics, biofertilizer, tissue culture. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, टिश्यू कल्चर. Which of the following statements is or are incorrect? The Cassini-Huygens mission is a cooperative project of NASA, the European Space Agency and the Italian Space Agency. The data collected by Cassini will help researchers gain new insight on the planet's rings and their formations. The Space Agency has also released a Saturn mosaic made from 1600 photos taken during the Wave at Saturn campaign. तो इसका आंसर है डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. तो इनकरेक्ट पूछा है तो तीनों इनकरेक्ट है. Which one of the following is a matching pair of a drug and its category? Heroin, psychotropic, amphetamine, stimulant, benzodiazepam, painkiller, lysergic acid dimethylamide, narcotic. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, एम्फेटामाइन स्टिमुलेंट. Turmeric has yellow color due to curcumin, capsaicin, oleoresin, ciconin. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, curcumin. Consider the following statements. Mobile TV is one of the features provided by 3G phones. South Korea became the first country in the world to have mobile TV. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी both 1 and 2. Mobile TV is one of the features provided by 3G phones, and South Korea became the first country in the world to have mobile TV. Desired improved varieties of economically useful crops are raised by mutation, biofertilizer, hybridization, natural selection. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी hybridization. Pesticide related accidents are associated with Bolsover, Severoso, Bhopal, all of these. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी all of these. Bolsover, Severoso, Bhopal. Liquefied petroleum gas consists of mainly methane, ethane and hexane, ethane, hexane and nonane, methane, butane and propane, methane, hexane and nonane. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी methane, butane and propane. Which of the following is not true regarding biometrics? It is used in computer science as a form of identification and access control of humans by their characteristics or traits. Biometric identifiers are often categorized as physiological versus behavioral characteristics. It is not possible to use this technology to identify individuals in groups that are under surveillance. All of this. तो इसमें इन नॉट ट्रू बोला है तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू यूज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी टू आइडेंटिफाई इंडिविजुअल्स इन ग्रुप दैट आर अंडर सर्विलेंस. Agriculture was originated in Mesolithic age about 3000 years ago, 5000 to 10,000 years ago, 7000 to 13,000 years ago, 20,000 to 25,000 years ago. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी 7,000 to 13,000 years ago. Haploid plants can be obtained from bud culture, root culture, anther culture, leaf culture. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी एंथर कल्चर. Consider the following statements regarding solar impulse. Solar impulse, the plane powered by the sun. The wingspan of the plane is similar to that of Airbus A340 and its weight is merely 1.6 tons. The energy was stored in a range of lithium-ion batteries used to drive the propellers. Which of the above statements is or are correct? This answer is D. All of this. The cultivation of rice in India was originated in 1300 BC, 1500 BC, 3000 BC, 12, 1285 AD. तो इसका आंसर है C. 3000 BC. Which among the following is the man-made cereal? Triticum, hordeum, Eleusine, triticale. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ट्रिटिकल. Kadri 1 and Kadri 2 are the varieties of rice hybrids, sorghum hybrids, red gram hybrids, groundnut hybrids. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, groundnut hybrids. Consider the following statements about biofuel. Biofuels are generally obtained from starchy plants. Scientists are engaged in producing genetically modified fungi to break down long cellulose chains to yield cheaper biofuel. Manufacturing biofuel from lignocellulose may be a preferable option. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. Biotechnology utilizes new organisms developed from the present organisms utilizing wood seasoning, environmental engineering, recombinant DNA technology, both 2 and 3. तो इसका आंसर है डी, both 2 and 3, environmental engineering and recombinant DNA technology. Common name of Indian rosewood tree is Acacia soria, Dalbergia eucalyptus. तो इसका आंसर है सी, Dalbergia. Which of the following vitamin and its deficiency disease is mismatched? Vitamin D rickets, vitamin C scurvy, vitamin K beriberi, vitamin A जेरोप्थेल्मिया. तो इसका आंसर है सी, विटामिन के बेरी. Due to which of the following organism yield of rice has been increased? Sesbania, Anabena, Bacillus populi, Bacillus polymena. तो इसका आंसर है बी, Anabena. Consider the following statements. Amateur television is the transmission of quality video and audio over the wide range of frequencies allocated for radio. Amateur television is usually transmitted at the frequency below 100 MHz. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? This answer is option A, only one. Amateur television is the transmission of quality video and audio over the wide range of frequencies allocated for radio. Sodium is essential for osmotic balance, acid-base balance, muscle contraction, all of this. This answer is option D, all of this, for osmotic balance, acid-base balance and muscle contraction. Which of the following is not correct regarding bioculture? Bioculture defines the activity and consolidation of ideas created when the human intersects with the technology. It comprises the emerging area bounded by the medical sciences, social sciences, area studies, cultural studies, the humanities, and the economic and global environment. It assumes that In bioculture, there's a diverse way to know the working of the body and mind, and that these are primarily culturally defined, and an expert's way of knowing produces specific strong results. Here, the study of body parts and the minds are not included. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, क्योंकि इसमें नॉट करेक्ट बोला है, तो हियर द स्टडी ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स एंड द माइंड आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड होगा आंसर। जॉन्डिस इज ए डिजीज ऑफ लीवर, किडनी, पेनक्रियास, ड्यूडेनम। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, लीवर। A graft which is always rejected is isograft, autograft, homograft, heterograft। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, heterograft। DNA fingerprinting technique was first developed by Boyson and Jensen, Edwards and Step 2, Scranton and Swain, Jeffries, Wilson and Thian। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, जेफरीज, विलो एंड थियन। Six foreign micro and mini spacecrafts, as well as the Indo-French oceanographic study satellite SARAL, were launched successfully by ISRO's PSLV C-20 rocket from the spaceport at Sriharikota. Which of the following statements is or are correct about SARAL? The satellite will assist the researchers in oceanographic studies. The satellite will assist the researchers in oceanographic. The satellite assists the researchers in studying about the climate developments. The satellite will study the sea surface heights and ocean currents. The satellite helps in studying of migration of the marine animals, continental ice studies, protection of biodiversity, and coastal erosion. Choose the correct answer using the codes given below. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, 1 and 4। The mineral which forms a part of vitamin B12 is copper, cobalt, iron, boron। तो इसका आंसर है बी, cobalt। Consider the following statements. Microwave oven uses microwaves to heat food. Microwave oven is highly efficient in the food stuff containing water, fats and sugar. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, both 1 and 2। A major component of cover gas is butane, ammonia, methane, ethane। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, मीथेन। Lactic acid is prepared in the presence of Aenizer albergarius, F. moniliform, G. fusicori। तो इसका आंसर है बी, L. vulgaris, which is true about biopolymers. They are produced by living organisms and contain monomeric units that are collectively bonded to form larger structures. Cellulose is the most common organic compound and biopolymer on Earth. Many biopolymers spontaneously fold into characteristic compact shapes, which determine their biological functions and depend in a complicated way on their primary structures. Biopolymers are also called renewable polymers. The major drawbacks with biopolymers is that it cannot be sustainable. Biopolymers are biodegradable and some are also compostable. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 6. 5 को छोड़ के बाकी सब. A person feels extremely thirsty, drinks large amount of water, feels tired and weak. These are symptoms of cholera, diabetes, typhoid, tuberculosis. This cancer है option B, diabetes. Which one of the following statements about the radio waves of the electromagnetic spectrum is not correct? Radio waves are generally captured by antennas of appropriate size. Radio waves is ranges from hundreds of meters to about 1 millimeter. Radio wave is used in mobile phones, wireless networking, and amateur radio. Wi-Fi is mainly depend on the radio waves to transmit data or information. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी. नॉट करेक्ट पूछा है इसमें, तो होगा आंसर ऑप्शन डी. वाईफाई इज मेनली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द रेडियो waves to increase data, transmit data or information. A bioreactor refers to fermentation tank, organism reacting to a stimulus, tank for biochemical reaction, nuclear reactor for biological studies. तो इसका आंसर है A fermentation tank. The organism used for alcoholic fermentation is Pseudomonas penicillium, Aspergillus, Saccharomyces. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, Saccharomyces. Consider the following statements. Curiosity rover is a robotic car-sized Mars rover exploring Gale crater on Mars. Curiosity rover was launched aboard the Atlas V rocket of NASA. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, both 1 and 2. The chemical compounds which are produced by host plants due to infection as a defense reaction to pathogen are called pythotoxin, pythotron, pythoalexins. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, pythoalexins. तो ये मैच द फॉलोइंग है, इसके लिस्ट 1 में दिया है GSM, CDMA, CGPRS और एक है एज. तो लिस्ट 2 में है हमारा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन which run at speed of 115 kb per second, evolved GSM and provides faster and reliable data transmission. transmission channel optimizing the use of available bandwidth, standard for mobile phones making international roaming convenient। तो इसका आंसर देखते हैं। जीएसएम का होगा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर मोबाइल फ़ोन मेकिंग इंटरनेशनल रोमिंग कन्वीनियंट। इसके बाद सीडीएमए का होगा सीजीपीआरएस। सीडीएमए का होगा ट्रांसमिशन चैनल ऑप्टिमाइजिंग द यूज़ ऑफ अवेलेबल बैंडविड्थ। जीपीआरएस का होगा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन। और एज का होगा फॉर जीएसएम। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी 4312। Which of the following bacteria has potential for nitrogen fixation? Nostoc, Olocera, Anavena, Rhizobium। तो इसका आंसर है डी राइजोबियम। Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Dengue fever, arbovirus, plague, Yersinia pestis, syphilis, trichursiura, मलेरिया, प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवेक्स। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी सिफिलिस ट्रिचुरसिउरा। नॉट करेक्टली मैच बोला है इसमें। Which is correct regarding tissue engineering? It is the use of combination of cells engineering and material methods and suitable biochemical and physiochemical factors to improve or replace biological function. It is actually understanding the principles of tissue growth and applying these to produce functional replacement tissue for clinical use. Powerful developments in the multidisciplinary field of tissue engineering have yielded a novel set of tissue replacement parts and implementation strategies. All are correct. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी ऑल आर करेक्ट। नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन मीन्स N2 changes in N3, NH3, NH2 changes into NH3, protein in amino acid, NH2 changes into nitrous। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी NH2 changes into nitrous। Which of the following is absent in Breuer's yeast? Maltose, amylase, diastase, both 2 and 3। इसका आंसर है डी बोथ 2 and 3 amylase and diastase। Consider the following statements. ACE is standardized as a part of the GSM family. ACE is a 3D mobile telecommunication system. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए ओनली वन। ACE is standardized as a part of the GSM family. The alcoholic distillate from fermented sugar is known as rum, wine, whiskey, aperitifs. तो इसका आंसर है A. rum. Consider the following sentences with respect of cryogenic rocket engines. It uses liquid hydrogen as fuel and liquid oxygen as oxidizer at supercooled state. The combination of hydrogen and oxygen offers highest calorific value for rocket engine that needs to produce large amount of thrust. Propellants at liquid state having more density than that of gaseous state, thereby more propellants can be stored on fuel tank. Russia was the first country to develop cryogenic rocket engine. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Titan is the moon of Saturn. Which gas is predominant over the atmosphere of Titan? Methane, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी नाइट्रोजन. Yeast is economically important because this spread diseases in animals, spread diseases in plants, are used in tobacco and tea factories, are used in bacteria and breweries. तो इसका आंसर है डी are used in bakeries and breweries. The pesticides which is used for preventing termite attacks in the foundation of buildings is BSC's DOT, Aldrin, Parathion. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी Aldrin. A fatty acid is unsaturated if it contains hydrogen, contains double bond, contains an acidic group. None of this. तो इसका आंसर है बी contains double bond. Which of the following is not used in the production of yogurt? Acetobacter aceti, Streptococcus lactis, Lactobacillus bulgarisus, Streptococcus thermopilus. तो इसका आंसर है ए एसिटोबैक्टर एसिटी. Which one of the following electromagnetic waves is used by the Bluetooth to exchange data over short distances? Microwave, radio wave, X-rays, UV rays. तो इसका आंसर है बी रेडियो वेव. Which of the following is used to prevent bleeding in infants? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी विटामिन के. Germinating barley seeds are used in the preparation of beer, wine, cheese, lactic acid. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए बियर. Enkephalins and endorphins are neurotransmitters with very potent pain-killing effects. These are released by thalamus, hypothalamus, limbic system, all of this. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दिस थैलेमस, हाइपोथैलेमस एंड लिम्बिक सिस्टम. Consider about the genetic engineering. It is the indirect manipulation of an organism's genome using biotechnology. An organism that is generated through genetic engineering is considered to be genetically modified organism. New DNA may be inserted in the host genome by first isolating and copying the genetic material of interest using molecular cloning methods to generate a DNA sequence, or by synthesizing the DNA and then inserting this construct into the host organism. Genetic engineering techniques have been applied in numerous fields including research, agriculture, industrial biotechnology, and medicine. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है बी 2, 3 and 4. Potassium is essential for osmotic balance, muscle contraction, nerve impulse conduction, all of this. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. Osmotic balance, muscle contraction and nerve impulse conduction. Conversion of sugar into alcohol during fermentation is due to the direct action of zymes, temperature, microorganism, concentration of sugar solution. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, zymes. Consider the following statements. GLONASS is acronym for Global Navigation Satellite System. Gagan is the GPS-aided geo-augmented navigation. Which of the statements is or are true? तो इसका आंसर है सी, both 1 and 2. Which of the following organism is useful in the preparation of Roquefort cheese? Mucor, Rhizopus, Aspergillus penicillium. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, पेनिसिलम. Continuous bleeding from an injured part of the body is due to the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin B. तो इसका आंसर है बी, विटामिन के. Which of the following compounds are widely distributed in both plants and animals? Insulin, vitamins, steroids, acetic acid. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, steroids. What is the web search engine? It is an engine to download songs and movies from a particular website. It is an engine designed to look out for the information in internet. It is an engine designed to extract confidential information like password, account ID through internet. Both A and C. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. It is an engine designed to look out for the information in internet. Which of the following hormone helps in the contraction of uterus during childbirth? ADH, androgen, oxytocin, glucocorticoid. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, oxytocin. Ascorbic acid is also known as vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, विटामिन सी. The process of micropropagation in the formation of new plants from tissue, plant parts, vegetative cells, both A और B. तो इसका आंसर है डी, both A और B, tissue और plant parts. Cow dung is appropriately used as fuel, manure, medicine, building material. तो इसका आंसर है बी, manure. Consider the following statements. S-band is a part of the microwave band of the electromagnetic spectrum. S-band is used in the transmission of data through Bluetooth. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, only 1. S-band is a part of the microwave band of the electromagnetic spectrum. Which of the following is a pair of biofertilizers? Azole PGA, Nostocant legumes, Rhizobium and Nicotiana, Salmonella and E. coli. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, Azole PGA. Agricultural chemicals include pesticides, fertilizers, growth regulators, all of these. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, all of these, pesticides, fertilizers and growth regulators. Capillary permeability is lowest in the skin, brain, liver, kidney. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, brain. The conversion of nitrate to nitrous oxide and nitrogen gas is termed as nitrification, denitrification, nitrosophication, nitrogen fixation. तो इसका आंसर है बी, denitrification. Which one of among the following is correct about the OCROPUS, a free document analysis and optical character recognition system, a free software to install the game console without the authentic license of the publisher, a software to determine the distinct character of the face recognition device, none of the above. तो इसमें करेक्ट वाला पूछा है तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, ए फ्री डॉक्यूमेंट एनालिसिस एंड ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन सिस्टम. An aquatic fawn used as biofertilizer is Azalea marsilea, Petridum cellunia. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, एज़लिया. Sugarcane is generally propagated vegetatively because it does not produce seeds. Its seeds have long dormancy. Incidence of disease get reduced. It helps in maturing genetic purity. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, इट हेल्प्स इन मैच्योरिंग जेनेटिक प्योरिटी. और इसी के साथ हमारा आज का टेस्ट सीरीज कंप्लीट होता है. तो अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन आइकन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए ताकि आप सारे लाइव क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकें. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर दीजिए, साथ ही अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उन्हें भी हेल्प हो सके. तो हमारा ये सेशन यहीं तक था. थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग.